What's up, Shafik here, and today we're going to talk about what FutureMinds AI is actually about. I'm going to give you a quick insight of what is actually in the community when it comes to lessons and how we actually work, so you see before you join. Firstly, I want to say whether you're a business owner or someone that actually is just starting with AI, it doesn't really matter. What I try to do is I try to teach you from every angle possible so you can implement it into your own scenario. So I'm kind of targeting a broad audience here. This is what I want to do. I want to build the biggest community when it comes to AI and fill out the gaps where, for example, other communities are leaking. So let's actually move into the community itself. Firstly, I would start here, which is the classroom. You can see that my classroom is made in a way that you know exactly what to do each day. Firstly, we have, of course, start here, where you're going to learn the basics on how to move throughout the community. So I'm going to skip that, but you definitely don't. You need to watch it. And then we have the launchpad. This is like chapter 1 of your AI journey, where I'm going to teach you obviously some general rules on how to move through this course. But then we have days where they're basically full of lessons, either text lessons, as you can see, for example, here, right? We have some text lessons, and then we have videos that teach you exactly what you need to do that day. Disclaimer, don't join the community if you're just looking for content. There is hours of content here, but if you're just going to consume it, you're actually never going to learn anything. And I always encourage you to watch the videos, watch them even 4 times, but each time build it. So that way you can actually learn and remember everything. Because I remember when I started to learn, I was just consuming tons of content and it never made anything for me. So I then had to move back and watch everything on a day-to-day basis, step by step. Just to summarize it, here you will learn the basics of AI automation. You will build your first automation, and then you move straight to Voiceflow, which is a program where you build AI agents. Again, you will learn the fundamentals, build your AI agents. And by the way, these automations, they can already be sold or used. It really, as I said, is a double use case because you can either use them yourself or you can sell them, right? So you can either implement them in your business, make money off of that and save time, or you can sell them to your customers or just use them for your personal needs, anything that you actually want. Then we have the fundamentals where I teach you some basics about AI when it comes to the new AI tools, Claude, GPT, Perplexity, Gemini, video creation, photo editing, Higgs field, anything you can basically name is going to be in the fundamentals, because this is also what you need to know. If you just learn make.com, Voiceflow, NADN, Zapier, these type of things, you will still be behind. And also on top of that, you actually need the, for example, GPT modules and stuff like that inside those programs anyways, right? There's also going to be a new course, which is not here yet, which is going to be about websites, coding, vibe coding, all of that. But just to focus on the fundamentals of what this community is really about, which is AI automation, everything about AI, I want to focus on that right now. And then I'm going to add, constantly adding, maybe at the time of this recording, I have only, 8 courses, but when you're watching it, there may be already 11, 10, 13. You never know. I'm constantly adding lessons, constantly being up to date. So yeah, just so you aren't surprised that there is more stuff here. Then we have under construction, you can see I'm still building it, the phase 3, which I'm not going to spoiler what it is going to be about. Maybe you already see it when you're inside the school community. And then we have how to sell, right? Why do you think I have it here? Well, because you need to sell. You need to learn sales if you want to communicate either with your customers, if you're a business owner, or you need to pitch your ideas, right? You need to sell the AI automations. So this is exactly my process of how I did it, how I made my first sales, and the delivery. Everything basically when it comes to delivering, selling, finding the clients, everything is inside this module, which is chapter 5. And then we have resources, which shows all of my templates and prompts that I use. There's a tons of value right there. And then YouTube Vault, which is basically my YouTube videos sorted into categories so you can always look back at them, learn from the free value. And yeah, this is about the classroom. Then we have the community where I post daily. Other people also post here. So it's a pretty active community. Right now we're sitting at 70 members. Probably when you're watching this, there's probably more members. But yeah, I mean, this is it. And I'm looking forward to see you and to kick off with your AI journey. If you need anything, always DM me and let's get straight into it.